going out for a quick weekend getaway from Gurgaon to Hill Resort Kasrauli. It is 3 hours by road journey from Gurgaon, and it's our daughter's 4th birthday. And say hi to everyone. Yeah, so it's our daughter's 4th birthday, and she wanted to celebrate the birthday in the fort because she likes Elsa, and what's better than celebrating a birthday in a fort. And so Hill Resort Kasrauli is a 14th century fort now converted into hotel. So what's better than celebrating the birthday in such a place? After the lockdown, this is our first vacation that we are taking. And we'll be maintaining all the social distancing and all the safety precautions. Even we spoke to the hotel management about the safety measures that they are taking, and I think they're full geared up about it, and pretty excited and much needed break. I'll be capturing the entire journey and a lot of just follow us and we'll let you know what all things we did there. So first say hi. Hi. She's sleeping at the back. Let her sleep, okay? So the fort was around 3 hours car journey from Gurgaon. We left at our home around 10 a.m. in the morning, and we reached there around 1 p.m. We did not stop in between at all because we did not want to stop at the public place, and we really did not feel the need of stopping in between. Very well connected road, and there was nobody checked the COVID certificate or any kind of temperature monitoring on the way. But when we reached that, the temperature monitoring did happen, but on the way the journey was pretty smooth. As soon as we reached at the entrance, complete sanitization and temperature check were done for all of us. And in fact, we called them in advance to tell them, we need the sanitization of the room, which was nicely done. Even the digital check-in facility was available. We really did not have to go and do the manual check-in. It was all digitally done. And the moment we reached, we wanted to rest for some time. So this fort has got different categories of room. There is a basement level, ground level, and first level, and at all levels the rooms are available. We stayed at first floor level. The name of the room was Naruka Burj, and it was decorated in traditional Rajasthani decor. The main purpose we took this room was that it had a private rooftop garden opening into it, looking at the swimming pool in Aravali Hills. The room was quite spacious as we were traveling with a 4-year-old daughter. It had a separate bed for her and essentially air conditioned. All the basic amenities were available, so we quite liked the room being on top of the entire fort. The view was very nice. As you can see, there was a door on the room which opened to this garden. We sat there in the evenings overlooking the sunsets. The sunsets were best there. In the evening, the hotel staff arranged this in-house entertainment of dance and different kind of activity by these Rajasthani performers. We had a great evening. The entire setup was beautiful right next to the pool, and the fort was beautifully lit up. All in all, we had a great evening. The food was served right at the table, overlooking these activities. We thoroughly enjoyed a lot. And wait, how can we forget this special performance by my little one with her dad? They had a great time. They were enjoying because almost the hotel was empty. There was nobody, and they made a duet performance, and it was beautiful. And it was day 2. We started off the day, it was a special day for us because it was little one's 4th birthday. We started off with the breakfast, and we really loved how the breakfast was served, including all the safety precautions, wearing the face shield, mask, gloves. I think the hotel staff maintained all kind of safety protocols, and that was the best part. When you're traveling during the COVID, that's the only thing that you look after at, and Nimrana Hill Fort Kasroli did a great job in that front. Once we were done with the breakfast, we were free at our leisure. We were chilling around in the garden, and in fact, we enjoyed the Darbar Mahal. So, Darbar Mahal was a separate recreational room with a lot of indoor activities. I really loved that room. It was the combination of color of that room was blue and white. All kind of indoor activities like books or different kind of board games, carom board, television setup, everything was available in that recreational room. So the rooms did not have any kind of television, so it was the only place where the television setup was available. We spent good 2 to 3 hours in this recreational room. After that, we wanted to do an entire property tour because the fort was really beautiful. We requested the hotel staff to give us a property tour. In fact, it was little one's birthday, so we wanted a sunset setup wherein we can celebrate her birthday. We were then off for a property tour. We wanted to see the property little in detail, which we could not do on the first day because we were tired. Also, we wanted to take this trip little slow. So we decided the second day, let's do a property tour, and the fort was beautiful, so we did not want to miss the opportunity to see this in detail. Also, to tell you a bit, this hill Fort Kasroli is situated on a hill. So there are a lot of stairs you have to climb to reach the garden. Even the garden is at the first floor. So as you can see, the walls, when the way towards the garden was beautiful. This place is one of the oldest heritage sites in India, and it's an experience in itself, staying within 700-year-old fort, still beautifully and nicely maintained by Nimrana hotel chain. So we took a garden tour, and it was a common garden, so many rooms were sharing this common garden. So all those doors that you can see were basically the rooms. And as I said, all the rooms were different and had a different charm. Some rooms had open terraces, some were garden opening room. And then came the highlight place, because I wanted to see the place where we will celebrate her birthday. So this was the place which we finalized for her evening birthday setup. This place had an awesome sunset view, and it was overlooking the millets and wheat fields. So I was kind of sure that this is the place where I want her birthday setup to be done. We also took the tour of certain terraces. So there were open terraces, private terraces of some rooms as well. So all in all, it was an experience in itself, exploring the entire fort, a lot of greenery around, and the little one also enjoyed, and it was a good exploring moment for all of us. So can a property tour be completed without checking the swimming pool? So it was a little unfortunate that the swimming pool was not working, or because of the COVID-19 situation. The fort also had a spa facility, but that was also closed. So pool was also situated on a height next to the restaurant. So we spent around 2 to 3 hours here. We were ordering food and had a good view and enjoyed the entire property tour. This spot was a beautiful spot for all kind of pictures, so we really loved this spot. After the property tour, we were back to our rooms to quickly change for her birthday celebration. So here comes our birthday princess for her 4th birthday celebration. The birthday spot was just so dreamy, exactly the way we wanted. All thanks to the hotel staff to decorate and provide the complimentary cake as well. If you want to see the complete birthday celebration video, then do check out our another dedicated video on our birthday. And that's how our staycation ended with great memories. I think we took a great decision to do this short trip and celebrate our special day. Traveling is good if you're maintaining social distancing and follow all safety protocols. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.